All right, well, I got the inner fender well off. Had trouble getting that bolt off. I still need to get the bolt from the middle. I already got the one for the back, and then do that side. But they're calling for a real bad heat advisory, so I don't know how much longer I'm going to be out here because the heat is pretty bad here in South Texas. Also, the emergency brake cable is still hooked up to the body, but I disconnected it from underneath the car. Hopefully I can just kind of snake it up. Apparently, I think there's a critter living in the dash. At least that's what the nest looks like, and I don't feel like crawling underneath there and finding out. So I'm going to get back to it, and I'm ready to get this body off this frame. All right, so I've got the body and the frame separated. So now I just have to get this lifted up high, so it'll clear that, and I can roll the chassis up underneath, though, of course, after I. All right, the frame is out, and it looks like it's in pretty good condition. Oh, don't mind the part sitting over there. Heading out to a swap meet in the next couple of weeks, and I've been gathering up stuff so I can go ahead and put it in the enclosed trailer, and ready to purge and get rid of some stuff. But the frame is out. I don't see any major cracks. So now I need to start getting everything cleared up, and I need to put the Hellwig enclosed frame parts on there, which is basically going to come out. It's going to bring it out to about right here. It's going to enclose all this and turn this into a convertible frame. And then I just have to do the front disc brake conversion on the front and on the back. Now the Cutlass is on the little dolly, the body dolly I built, where I'll go ahead and put it into storage for right now. And when I'm ready to start taking parts off of it, get everything off of it, and then put it on the convertible. Now I just got to put everything up, get the frame ready to roll, and head over to the sandblasters. They're going to sandblast the whole thing down to bare metal, then get it inside the shop, POR it, big old truck going by, FedEx. We'll cut that. Then of course, when it's nice outside, not so hot, I'll get back on Ecto, and when it's super hot or bad weather, I can work on the convertible. So little by little, each piece is falling into place because I want to get these two cars done pretty quickly. Would like to be able to have them on the road here very soon. So hope everybody's having a fantastic week. I'm getting back to work. Make sure to like and follow for more.